Zendesk is a customer service platform that helps businesses provide exceptional support to their customers. This is basically a ticketing app. Instead of having to configure one website for emailing, receiving and making calls, responding to social media messages, offering live chat support, and then having to manage each of these channels separately, Zendesk brings it all together. How does it do this? Zendesk automatically converts all customer inquiries from any channel. By channel, I mean emails, calls, WhatsApp messages, Facebook messages, and so on. Zendesk automatically converts all customer inquiries from any channel into tickets. This allows your support agents to track, prioritize, and manage every single customer issue until it's resolved. Now let's have a look. Once you log into Zendesk and you've done your registrations, this is where it brings you. This is the home button, views button, customers button, organizations button, reporting button, and the admin. On the home page, here you need to set up your email first. So you connect email, then you invite a team, you set auto response, and then you add a signature. Once you are online, the first thing you ought to do is, see this? In here is going to be your profile photo. Now it says offline. You need to signify that you're online and ready to work. Now it's changed to online. So now that you're online, you can begin to receive requests and receive tickets. The next button is the Views button. Views is also called a dashboard. Gives you a complete view of everything going on all in one place. Here you have your unsolved tickets, unassigned tickets, all unsolved tickets, recently updated tickets, and so on. And okay, let's have a look at all unsolved tickets. There are 7 of them. So click on it, and the information here changes. It brings out a list of all the 7 unsolved tickets. What can we do here? Actions here means click on it, brings a drop down. You can export this whole list of unsolved tickets as a CSV file to some other place. We can edit the view. We can clone the view. Once you click export as CSV, it sends a message to your email. It says your CSV file for all unsolved tickets is ready. Your CSV file has been generated and can be downloaded from the following location. So click on this link and then you download it to your system, and then you can forward it to wherever you want to send it to. So let's backtrack. So that's what you do here on your dashboard. The next button is customers button, customers or contacts. So it brings up a list of all the practice contacts we have here. What can we do on this page? We can add customer. Let's click on it. Brings out this page. Add a new customer. Type in a name. We type in an email. Once you click add, it sends an email to the email address, and then the person is added. What else can we do here? On the customer page, we can create a ticket. To do that, you simply click on the contact to whom you wish to send the ticket. Let's click on this one, and then we are here. So we can either open this ticket and respond to it, or we can come over here and create a new ticket for this person. Now let's go to organizations or companies. We have one organization here, and same as with contacts, we can add an organization. Here we type the name of the organization, and then its domain name here. Once we click add, it's added. We can also do something else. We can add organizations one by one, or we could do a bulk import. A bulk import means you are adding a list of organizations. This can also be done for contacts. Next is reporting. Reporting is your analytics page on Zendesk. What it does is it measures performance, it measures ticket volume, agent productivity, and efficiency. Since this is a trial phase, we have no data to showcase right now. And then there's the admin section. Here is where you configure your account, like set up billings and its usage. This is where the action of importing bulk users or importing bulk organizations actually happens. And here you can also delete users. You configure your channels, meaning emails, WhatsApp messages, Facebook, where you receive messages from. AI, configure your workspace. Here you see the agent tools, How do you create a ticket? This is the Zendesk logo. Right beside it is an add button. Placing the cursor on it, it brings out tickets, user, organization, search. So to create a ticket, click on ticket. Requester is the customer. So we either type in the customer's name or we search for his name and then we add user. Yes, type in the name, type in the email, we click on add, and the user's name is added. Assignee is the agent that's assigned to this ticket. If I want to be the agent assigned to this ticket, I simply click on take it and my name appears here. Followers, these are agents that whose attention may be needed in resolving the ticket. So either type in the people's name, or if I wish to be a follower, I simply click on follow and I am also a follower. Macros or snippets are pre-typed messages that are especially useful for common questions, closing remarks, or providing standard instructions. They save time by eliminating the need to type the same information repeatedly. Here goes the subject. In this space, public reply is where you respond to the ticket. Whatever you type here, once you click on submit, is what the customer will see. Here you turn on the draft mode, you format text, emojis, you attach attachments here, and here you can add a link. Now if you click on this little drop down arrow, internal note is when you want to send a message to another agent who either is interested in this ticket or has worked on this ticket before. So once you click on internal note, whatever you type here will be for internal consumption only. The client or customer will not see it. Once you're done, you come over here. This is the status. Click on submit as new and it gets submitted as a new ticket. If it's not a new ticket, you can submit as open, submit as in progress, submit as pending, or submit as solved if you have solved the problem. You can also create a ticket from the contact page. Click on the contacts, it opens the page, then we choose a specific contact, click on it. The contact is Sobin Doe, has one ticket. Let's click on the ticket to open it. Again, requester, it has filled it for us. The name of the client or customer, assignee agent, the agent's name is here, no one is following. Tags, delivery, sample ticket, type not specified, priority is normal, it's not low, it's not high, it's normal. So this is the issue. The issue is, hey there, I've been browsing your site and I keep seeing this term flat pack delivery. So this is the ticket. To reply to the customer, we type in here, see, public reply, and here to the customer's name. So whatever we type in here, the customer will see. Then once we're done, submit as open, or if we wish to change the status of this ticket, we either submit as in progress or pending. If the issue has been resolved, we submit as solved.